The best leaders aren't the ones putting out fires. They're the ones who made sure the fire never started. In growing companies, there's a moment where leadership changes. Not because of a title, but because of decisions. The decision to stop reacting. The decision to stabilize operations. The decision to think 3 steps ahead. Leaders want to be the person who chose the right system, brought order to complexity, made growth feel controlled instead of risky. Leaders are not louder, not heroic, just right. That's where AccountMate Enterprise fits. It gives leaders confidence in the numbers, visibility across operations and finance, and systems that scale without breaking. Growth feels intentional. So decisions are grounded. Meetings are calm. The strongest leaders don't fight fires. They build systems that make fires unlikely. That's what strategic leadership looks like.